Today, let me share with you something encouraging from the book of Judges. We all know life is not always smooth. Minsan bagsak, minsan pagod, minsan clueless kung ano ang susunod. But here's the amazing truth. Every time Israel fell and cried out to God, He lifted them up. Kung napapagod ka na, this message is for you. The entire book of Judges follows a pattern: sin, suffering, supplication, and salvation. Every time they cried out, God responded. Proof? Judges 3 verse 9, God raised up a deliverer. And the word deliverer means one who brings you out. In Hebrew, the word used here, Yasha, is the root word for the name Joshua, Yeshua, which also means the Lord saves. Ang ibig sabihin, every time rescue in Judges is pointing to the ultimate Savior, Jesus Christ. Israel failed again and again, but God never quit on them. Kaya kahit ilang beses ka nang bumagsak, hindi patapos ang Diyos sa'yo. Kung bumagsak ka man ngayon, tandaan mo, nagkamali ka, God doesn't leave you fallen. He lifts you up. Kaya kapit lang, your comeback starts today.